Today we're gonna do a food review of this food truck that's new to my neighborhood. It's only about 5 minutes away from the house. Let's check them out. They have a small menu with hot dogs, hamburguesas mexicanas, burritos, and tacos, among a few other things, including Mexican Coke. So we ended up ordering some tacos de asada. Comes served with onions, potatoes, radishes, and some limes, and a cup with beans in it. I ordered the burrito with al pastor and a Coke, and give us 4 salsas to go with it. Let's give it a try, see how it goes. Alright, my nephew has one of his mini tacos of asada. Let's take a bite, see how it is. Go for it. Good? Not good?
It's good.
Yeah? Not burnt or anything?
I don't see, no.
Meat,
I don't taste anything burnt.
How's the meat? Soft? Hard?
Meat's fairly soft.
Alright, is it dry or moist?
It's a little dry.
That's a little bit dry.
A little bit dry.
Alright, that's cool. Alright, like I said, mine is the burrito made from al pastor. Look at that. Has avocado in it, some lettuce, looks like a tomato as well. Let's take a bite. You know what? Little salsa. There's some beans in here too. Very good. Yeah, very good stuff, man. It's also fire, man. It's absolutely hot. My ears are burning. So there's beans, a little bit of chorizo, and then the carne al pastor, and a little bit of lettuce. Beans,
Onions, some beans, and
looks like either ham or it's ham in there. Or,
I'm pretty sure it looks like ham.
Might be hot dogs as well. So
Maybe closer to hot dog.
give it a try.
Definitely hot dog from what I tasted.
Yeah, they usually put hot dogs in it. Cut up hot dogs in it.
Yeah, there it is.
Yep.
A piece of a confirmed hot dog.
Yep, there's the wiener and the pinto beans. But how's the flavor?
Yep. Nothing to write home about, unfortunately.
Okay. Sounds good. Good to know.
And maybe it had a little bit more flavor. It'd be at least passable.
All right, cool. Salsa roja is a lot better than the salsa verde. Salsa verde is really no flavor at all. But the red one, man, that's pretty good stuff. The owner told me that it's only been 3 weeks since they opened up for business. They are located at the corner of Palo Alto Road and Doolittle here on the south side. They are open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For now, we will give them another try in about a month or so, see if their food improves. Until then, I'll see you next time. What do you think? Let me know if you want to see other food review videos on this channel. There is a lot of different types of food on trucks here in the San Antonio area. But again, let me know. Thank you and have a great day.